Hello, my YouTube family. How na dey? Hope so na dey fine. Wetin dey play? My people, I don't talk say me I no go vlog for a very long time. And una dey so push me. Una dey so push me make I come for front camera. The why I even fake come for front camera the morning time. It make a very vex yesterday. You get me? Una see the una saga so. I know they me for insights. I know they follow crowds. I know they follow nobody. Play what I see and say my heart prick me for talk. I go talk. No be now no man hold my voice. No be now no man hold my camera. No be now you buy me phone. Anytime I see something, I see and say I fit express my mind concerning this thing. If you prick me, I will talk. You understand? As for saga, I know dey for saga. And I know one be for saga. I don't know what the saga about. So I don't feel the enter saga way. I don't know what the saga about. I don't know what the saga about. All man and saga go up, saga calm down, saga go up. I don't try by all means. I can't with my camera. I can't advise una stop saga. Una know the insult. I can't with my camera. Can't advise people them when they enter saga. They know because the first do saga. It end for the my way yeah. My way no one year. In no year. I no go drag your hair or pull your hair from your house. May you can't stop saga for YouTube or for social media. I no own no person. I no own no person. I no man no own me. Why me I dey talk so na say? Yesterday, Brenda show him matter where they slappy for Belgium. Me, I know the talk now about the slap. I know the vex now about the slap because anybody can slap anybody. Grand baby don't talk for a video Sunday say as you pass your up for social media, no say your food is stand strong for down for fights at any given time. I no ever forget that word. No say you be ready to attack and to fight at any time. So when you pass your up or when una dey in conflict or dey in war, you know say you get to prepare yourself for answer and for fight anytime. So those words them they need to die for my head at any time soon. Why me at the vex for this particular thing that picking for corner day? Anything we concern picking, I don't like as that picking he cry where they beat that Brenda show. And the thing way it vex me pass. At least where they talk for they insult Brenda show for carry a picking come off for that place. Move that picking for that scenario. Take it come out. Avoid problem just because that picking they. Anybody can do anything. But to feel fly, you want go fly so it touch na picking. We lost picking. Picking the way na the souls them. Innocent souls them for this life. You lost your picking. You can't explain waiting for the people. Social media, More forget about social media. We get our own private life for this. Our life will deliver. Our life day, life with social media day. You want fight, say person you take you video, say you fight back, say you get stamina for down. At the extent of the picking, he cry. That picking he cry vex me very badly, touch me. I no expect. Say that picking they then when they fight safe. Brenda for just move that picking for that particular scenario. And the only mistake that we do be careful move that picking for that particular place. Me I no want talk whether the baba get right for slappy. I don't know me their problem. The person who got us I know it to the play. I don't know nothing. I don't know it to the play. Any man get own bitter for a heart. I feel like I get my own bitter for some person. You know, no, so I get bitter for you. And the plan you say they will see you or beat you hands down. You know, no, so I get bitter for you. Or you could not pass make some comments on they will not like them. You know, no, so I get bitter for you. So, my problem is that picking. And secondly, I want to talk some one thing. When you be a follower for some person, know the cross boundary. Queen Mother did talk the go directly now for you. Me and you will not ever get problem. I need to find you and you know define me. I need to cross boundary who can insult you. And you know get to cross boundary who can insult me. You follow grand if you be a staunch grinder, that one is not my problem. I get right for do anything what I fit do for social media because no be now you get my phone, you are not putting my data. Stop the thing for the wakadi attack people them under their platform. I had a platform since no be not today. I'm a motivational speaker from before. I get my platform. Avoid me. Me and you need the drag rope. Saga, I know first day for the saga. I know say the worker, you find people they are find them for social media. Avoid me. You the mommy or now you the speaking. Me and you will not get nothing in common. Let's say that I go laugh. You know why I did laugh. You know what I watch now some films, I laugh. I laugh because I get right for laugh. I get right for put any right top for my platform. So far as now me I own a platform, no be you own a platform. You are not even a Nikita family. You are not even my fan. You don't get no rights for can they comment nonsense or you come on go the talk your own thing we want talk for the. That because I leave you may be a friend for my friendship list. Now why if you come at any time you go create your fake profile then you can't insult me. I not be very good at I need to insult people. I need to insult people. I don't to say for my life I want change. I want change. I don't want to be a miscreant. I don't want to be a vagabond. But if you try me, stop this your nonsense. I swear to God. Attack your people the way they attack them. No find me palava. You get me no? No find me palava. Now you no get nothing in common. I no be a grinder. I no be a beehive. If people don't pass you or pass una know they come from under my platform una you want to insult me. That way you talk say Kobos, I go say my go talk say Kobos no be involved for the thing. Una avoid Kobos name because Kobos no send Baba. You said Kobos na Kobos sister. You come on go create fake profile can insult me. Then you write me for inbox. See, I can do and undo. They need underestimate person for the well. Granny, they don't always tell one the thing. You don't underestimate people. You don't know what they can do. No underlook me things say as she don't quiet or I need to talk. Don't miss her no fit talk. I'm a very wild person. If I want to wake up for wild or if I want to wake up for insult people, you know go like me. You will put your camera on, I put my camera on, insult fine. Then you know who I be. Then that time one wall and for any side, even for Cameroon where you did now, so I will find you. Avoid me. I don't block you. You say, hey, I go block you. I say, as you don't talk, say, I block you and so on. I block you now because say you go create fake profile for insult me. I be one of those people that they knock machine and know where to be the play. Only for me for a final you be okay. Are you okay, Queen Mother or Queen Geya? If you get a problem, you Kobos because you leave Kobos group, you go to join the Besheta. That one not your problem. It's your business. It's not my business. You understand me? That one is a business. This saga no concern me, so avoid me for this saga. Avoid me, yes. Now me I talk avoid me for this saga. Una saga they go. I dey my place, I dey do my thing, I dey do my bolo, I dey work, I dey go. No man, no woman phone will type, I fit type anything, put up any write up at any time, any post where I'm post. Na my Facebook, na me I own am. That I opened that Facebook about 15 years ago, you know, baby day. Stop am. Stop this. Just stop this thing you do. And now I can't talk. I know say you get this man video fine. You'll understand. If any granddiver, maybe they'll watch and go show you. Granddiver, one queen mother, may know the step on for people their boundary. Person if you shoot you gun, you go different man in house, you go enter a gate where you know invite you. If he shoot you gun through window, you know the cross boundary. No the cross people their boundary them. I never ever cross boundary. I never ever insult you. You go create fake profile for insult me. Some time you got to say no be a fake profile. Your fake profile that. Now your fake profile that. Avoid me. I beg you in the name of God. Avoid me. And you avoid anything with consent saga. You avoid people them. Don't ever try your next time. Don't cross your boundaries them. I tell you. Okay, my people. As I don't hear so me at the talk. You can't insult me for my messenger. You forget for no say me I be kumba rustic picking. Rustic. I be very rustic. I need hide and for talk. I change the make and so. I change why they change so. Because I be very good for insult. Insult may move me. I dey gear for you back to back. But I need gear for public because I try for change. Don't push me to the wall. Okay, peace, my people.